So that's the water slide I went on today. So you go through that tube over the sidewalk, and then it opens up into those rocks and you splash down in the water. It actually was really fun. I think this is one of the coolest water slides at Disney. So it kind of sucked that I had to go back to the lobby 3 times, but this room is so much better. I had to go down like all these hallways and turn and twist, and the hallway I had to go down was way longer than that. But look at this. So I go around the corner, elevators, or there's this cute little area here. All day there's people working. Here's the lobby. Yeah, I just go down these little stairs. I think that's so cool. Yeah. Bam, first floor.